the bird restaurant is functioning very well. This is my backyard bird restaurant, my view out of my window. Quite a bunch. Birds can sense the phone. If I take away the phone, they just keep doing their business. But the moment you start filming them, they become self-conscious. But they allow me to film them now because they know I'm crazy. Alright, that's my cardinal. That's a family that lives around here. It always comes for food. And oh, there's the wife also. Cardinals are monogamous. And there comes the stupid crow. I don't like them. I don't like the crows because they're so violent. And then they scare away the small birds. I call them the bill collectors. And I put out food that they usually don't like, but they still come because they're just assholes. This is not your food. Anyway, but I have nothing against them. But this is not your food. Don't waste all the food. I have so many other birds that come that, alright, whatever, who cares? But normally I go out and I'm like, excuse me, can you guys please let the real customers come in and eat? Think you had your fill? Or these guys are like, no, we want to hog this space. And the other birds don't like them. And you know, they also throw the food down on the ground because they think that if we throw that on the ground, it will turn into something else. Look, they're fucking fuckers. Okay, I'm gonna stop this video and go get rid of those crows and have a nice day, everybody. I am going to manage my bird restaurant now. Good morning.